Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have another new strategy for you guys. Okay, so this strategy is very simple. Okay, but first of all, you need to know how to identify the trend. If you can identify the trend, I think this strategy is for you. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to look at what the market has been doing for days or for some months. Okay, so as you can see on USDJPY, you are bearish, right? So how are you going to continue following this bearish trend? First of all, the first thing you need to do is to identify your break of structure. And break of structure means when price create a new low. And as you can see, this is the break of structure here. This was the previous low before market created this new low. This new low above here, below here. Okay. So after identifying your break of structure, and you want to identify your most recent high, which is this high here, this one here. So after doing this now, for you to be able to get your entry, it is when we now use this indicator or this tool called Fibonacci retracement. So we are going to be using Fibonacci retracement to get our entry points and to also know our take profits. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the indicator, how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, because I noticed that most of us use Fibonacci retracement in the wrong way. So I'm going to show you guys the best way and a better way to use the indicator, the Fibonacci retracement tool. So let's go guys. So this is the Fibonacci retracement tool here. I have my own here, but if you don't know how to get it, you can just click here. Alright, just come to this plus button here, and this three dots. No, I'm just gonna off this. Sorry, no. Oh, it's because I've added it here. If that is the reason why. But you can just click on this. Okay, click on it, then you can see it here. The Fibonacci retracement here, you can see it here, right? So that is where you get it from, and then the way you're gonna draw it now is what I'm gonna show you guys right now. So you want to start drawing your Fibonacci retracement when price gets to your break of structure. Alright, you can see that price was pulling back from this lower price zone here, this price zone here. Come, let me delete this. So how you guys are gonna draw this thing is that you want to wait for price, to pull back from your low to your break of structure. But how are you going to know when price will turn back? That's when you now use your Fibonacci retracement. You draw it from your pullback all the way to your high, from your lower break of structure, lower low, to your what, higher high. That's how you're going to draw it. And mind you, the way you are drawing it from the low, not from the high, right? You're drawing from the low. So that's how you guys are going to be using this indicator, this Fibonacci retracement. Alright, so your point of interest where you are looking for your sell trade will be from your 38% zone to your 23% zone. This zone here is where you are looking for your point of interest, where to go short. Okay, so when price gets here, wait for a change of character, then you go short. Alright, that's how to use the Fibonacci retracement. And let me show you guys more examples. As you can see, let me show you how to use it here again. So you're just gonna draw from your pullback like this, pullback, draw from the above here, then wait for price to get to your point of interest, which is that 23% zone. As you can see here, you see price get to the 23% zone and start pulling back up. You see, so that's how to use it. And your take profit will be either your 100% zone here, either this zone here, or this zone here, if the trend will continue going bullish, right? So that's how to use it. That's how to use this in Fibonacci retracement. Only Fibonacci retracement. And let me show you guys another setup. That's how I do trade. Okay, I only use Fibonacci retracement and um follow and technical analysis. Alright, so you can see I'm expecting price to turn from here. I'm expecting price to turn from this zone here that I drew here. You can see that I've marked it and I'm expecting it to drop. So guys, if you like this video or if you have any question, just comment down below. I will answer you guys. So, and please don't forget to subscribe.